Is your Wi-Fi randomly disconnecting, not working, maybe working slow, connect but no internet after updating to iOS 26? This often happens due to network glitches, outdated settings, or bugs in the new update. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnection issues on your iOS 26. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, toggle Wi-Fi on and off. Unplug your router and modem from power for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Disable Wi-Fi Assist. Sometimes it can cause Wi-Fi disconnections if it's too aggressive in switching. So first, open up the settings, then tap on Mobile Service. Next, scroll down a little bit. Find the Wi-Fi Assist, and now toggle it off. Solution 2. Forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi network. Go to the Settings app, then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap the eye icon next to the Wi-Fi network that's disconnecting. Then tap Forget this network and confirm it. Go back to the Wi-Fi settings again. Find your network and reconnect by entering your password. If you are still facing the issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Change DNS. Open Settings, tap Wi-Fi. Tap the eye icon right next to the Wi-Fi name. Scroll down, select Configure DNS. Remove old DNS from here. Add 1.1, and the second DNS should be 1.0.0. Save it and restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Grab your iPhone. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. This will reset settings like Wi-Fi passwords, but won't delete your data. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it asks. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After you have successfully reset your network settings, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it. This is how you can fix your Wi-Fi randomly disconnecting issue after updating to iOS 26. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye-bye.